boiler accessories. These are auxiliary plants required for steam boilers for their proper operation and for the increase of their efficiency. Commonly used boiler accessories are feed pump, injector, economizer, air preheater, superheater, steam separator, steam trap. Among many boiler accessories, I will be discussing important accessories of boiler. Among that, let us have first one, which is economizer. An economizer is a device in which the waste heat of the flue gases is utilized for heating the feed water. Figure shows a vertical tube economizer. It consists of a large number of vertical cast iron pipes P, which are connected with two horizontal pipes, one at the top and the other at the bottom. A is the bottom pipe through which feed water is pumped into the economizer. The water comes into the top pipe B from the bottom pipe through vertical pipes and finally flows to the boiler. The flue gases move around the pipe. Consequently, heat transfer through the surface of the pipes takes place and water is thereby heated. Air preheater. The function of the air preheater is to increase the temperature of air before it enters the furnace. It is generally placed after the economizer, so the flue gases pass through the economizer and then to the air preheater. Figure shows a tubular type air preheater. After leaving the boiler or economizer, the gaseous products of combustion travel through the inside of the tubes of air preheater and transfer some of their heat to the air to be supplied to the furnace. Thus, the air gets initially heated before being supplied to the furnace. Superheater. The function of a superheater is to increase the temperature of a steam above saturation temperature. Figure shows a simple type of superheater. One end of the tube is connected to inlet header and the other end is connected to outlet header. Steam from the boiler enters the inlet header, then passes through the superheater tube over which flue gases pass. Steam is superheated by receiving heat from the flue gases, and finally the superheated steam is supplied to steam engine or turbine through the stop valve. Steam separator. The function of a steam separator is to remove the entrained water particles from the steam conveyed to the steam turbine to protect the turbine from water particles. Figure shows a baffle plate steam separator. The steam enters the flange A and flows down. In its passage, it strikes the baffle plates B. As a result, it gets deflected. But water particles having greater density and greater inertia fall to the bottom of the separator. The drier steam discharges through the flange C. To see the level of water collected, gauge is provided. The water collected in the vessel is removed at intervals through the drain pipe D. Steam trap. The function of a steam trap is to drain away automatically the condensed steam from the steam pipes, steam jackets and steam separators without permitting and steam to escape. Figure shows an expansion steam trap. A hollow spring tube B of nickel steel contains a liquid which becomes a gas at temperature above the lowest that the steam is likely to have. The water enters at A and being lower in temperature than the steam, it causes the tube to contract and the valve is opened. When all the water is discharged and steam enters the trap, the increased temperature converts the liquid in the tube B into the gas. The curved tube tends to straighten itself and consequently the valve V is closed.